Hey everybody, it's Brianna here with the Peach Lifestyle, and today I'm bringing to you an unboxing video via Clinique. And this is a box from Macy's, and it's because I purchased $69 worth of Clinique products online. So this is for the month of January 2019. So they're not giving away free gift bags in stores. It's only online. So keep that in mind. I think in March, maybe Belk or Macy's is doing the free gift in stores if you want to wait to buy it in the store. But if you can't wait and you need to buy some Clinique products and you would like to get over $100 worth in products for free, then this is the video for you. So I am going to unbox the box from Macy's for you and show you what's in the new free gift, January 2019. So this is the box that I received from Macy's. So I am just going to cut it open and we're gonna take a peek inside. My shipping label concealed. This is what it looks like on the inside of the box. Let's see. This is what I see first, and this is actually from Lancome, even though I bought Clinique. Okay, so this is an advertisement for Lancome's free gift that you can receive. And it gives you a product description on everything inside. So that's really cool. And next, I got a little perfume sample. It's called Pure Grace Nude Rose by a company called Philosophy, and I just broke it open. Uh-oh. Let's see. Let's see how it smells. Very pretty, very light, flowery, I guess you would say. Very sweet. It reminds me of like if you're going on a Sunday brunch and you have your tea dress on. This is the perfect perfume to wear for that. Very nice. Okay, so getting to the good stuff. Here is the bag from Clinique. It didn't come already in the gift bag, but this is how the gift bag looks. This is how this season's gift bag looks, and it's a bunch of C's for Clinique and just an empty pocket on the inside. So we have, let's see, I'm opening up the actual products now. So the first thing is the makeup remover, which is really great because I'm all out of makeup remover. If you all can see that. Take the day off. Yes. Don't we all need to take the day off? This is 1.7 ounces of makeup remover. Next we have the foaming facial soap, and this is exactly 1 ounce. And the Dramatically Different moisturizing lotion. And this is one that I use frequently, and a little bit goes a long, long way. This is 1 ounce as well. And there we have it. We have the 3 skincare products. Okay, now let's go to the makeup. So in this gift bag, there's 2 makeup items. We have the High Impact Mascara, and this is in a 0.14 ounce tube. This is in a 0.14 ounce tube. Let's see if you could see the name. This is how the bristles look. So that's the mascara. And then, ooh, red lipstick. This is a pretty shade of Cherry Pop. It's kind of small to focus in on, but the name of this lipstick is Cherry Pop, and I love this because it's very rare that in a Clinique gift they give a fire hydrant red lipstick. And I have lipstick on, but I'll do a little, wow, look how red that is. That is very red. Okay, so that concludes the unboxing for my Clinique gift. If you are interested in receiving a Clinique gift of your own, visit Macy's online, purchase $69 worth of Clinique items, and you will receive your sample perfume and your Clinique gift. All right. Thank you all. Tune in next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you like my videos, be sure to click that bell. Bye.